झांकी विकसित भारत में पधारो म्हारे देश के संदेश को लेकर ये झांकी। राजस्थान के बाद चलते हैं महाराष्ट्र की ओर। महाराष्ट्र की झांकी जिसमें छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के 350वें राज्य।
What balance, what synchronization and what confidence.
और 12 फीट ऊंची सीढ़ी से सैल्यूट का विश्व रिकॉर्ड बनाने महिला ऑफिसर कैप्टन डिंपल सिंह भाटी।
What a moment of pride for all these performers over here to be. And now we can see the three-peak devil formation. Leading the formation, Naik Jayakumar, Naik SP Mangu and signalman Sanket making a world record of the longest assisted handstand on Kartavya Path for the very first time.
डेविल्स के जवान शत्रुजीत फॉर्मेशन तैयार करते हुए डांस नायक सुमित कुमार यादव और 7 अन्य डेविल्स कर्तव्य पथ पर।
So many brilliant formations. Mercury Peak, the daring Mercury Peak formation performed by Havaldar Pramod Patil, Havaldar Sangram.
तकनीकी वॉरियर्स कोर ऑफ सिग्नल्स के प्रतीक के रूप में हवलदार कमित परेश, नायक सुनील कुमार और 14 अन्य डेविल्स।
And after the Info Warriors, we look forward to the Lotus, the magnificent Lotus formation led by CHM Durgesh Kumar, CQMH Sujit Mondal and 20 other daredevils. Stunning display vividly recreates India's national flower, the Lotus.
और ये ह्यूमन पिरामिड 33 मैन पिरामिड नायब सूबेदार अनिल कुमार और 8 डेविल 9 मोटरसाइकिलों पर 33 मैन पिरामिड तैयार करते हुए कर्तव्य पथ पर जोश और रोमांच की नई परिभाषा लिखते हुए।
Absolutely. Well, the exhilaration.
Flying in Apache attack helicopters, today led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. Flying the other 2 aircraft are Wing Commander Munit Dogra and Wing Commander Gaurav Patania. The Apaches, with its advanced fire control radar, night vision system, and arsenal of Hellfire missiles and Hydra rockets, is a formidable force in the battlefield. These fierce attack helicopters are the face of the modern machines in India's leap into the manufacturing advanced of the rotary wing platform. And there you can see Formation Airborne from Air Force Station Hindon, led by Group Captain Praveen Sarathi. The Apache attack helicopters flying in victory formation.
संतुलन, साहस और शौर्य का परिचय 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में कर्तव्य पथ के ऊपर पहुंचते हुए 137 हेली स्क्वाड्रन से नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन प्रवीण सारथी कर रहे हैं। अन्य सदस्य हैं विंग कमांडर मुनीत डोगरा और विंग कमांडर गौरव पठानिया।
The aircraft equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and sensors, allowing them to operate in a variety of environment and weather conditions.
इंडिया गेट के ठीक पास पहुंचते हुए अजय फॉर्मेशन में 3 अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में तेज खिली हुई धूप और साफ आसमान, वायु गर्जन, वायु विचरण, शौर्य साहस का परिचय। और अब बारी सतलुज फॉर्मेशन की, 2 डॉर्नियर और एक AN-32 ट्रांसपोर्ट हेलीकॉप्टर। ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन में उड़ान भरते हुए नजर आएंगे।
The formation led by Wing Commander Pinak Ashok Kodkute, along with Flight Lieutenant Anurag Mishra, Wing Commander Amol, along with Flight Lieutenant Sahaj Preet, and Squadron Leader Rahul Kishore, along with Squadron Leader Rohit Anand. The formation comprising one AIM-32, which is airborne from Air Force Station Chandigarh, while the Dorniers taken off today from Palam Air Base. AIM-32, a strong, rugged aeroplane with a mighty roar, is the workhorse of the Indian Air Force Transport Fleet.
द डॉनियर इस फॉर्मेशन में 41 स्क्वाड्रन से आदर्श वाक के समय पर सहायता।
The Satluj formation. The Dorniers belonging to 41 Squadron, also known as the Otters, with the motto Samay Par Sahayata. They have the unique distinction of being the only aircraft in the IF with the role of air calibration of the IF airfields. And now, the Rakshak formation debuting on the Kartavya Path today for the maiden formation flypast, Rakshak, the Dornier formation of the Indian Coast Guard. True to their motto, Vayam Rakshamaha, the Indian Coast Guard have rescued over 12,000. Now gracing the skies is the awe-inspiring beam formation. Leading this majestic display is the C-17 Globe Master, a true embodiment of power, endurance and reliability in the air.
बीम फॉर्मेशन में एक C-17 और 2 Su-30 विमान एशॉन स्टीमिंग फ्यूल में विक्ट्री फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए दिख रहे हैं। ग्रुप कैप्टन समीप तेजावन के नेतृत्व में साथ में है ग्रुप कैप्टन ध्रुव कुमार और विंग कमांडर सुदीप पी।
Heavy lift transport aircraft C-17 taken off today from Air Force Station Hindon, while the Sukhois got airborne from Jodhpur. Formation flying at a speed of 555 kilometers. Led by Group Captain Sameep Nithawan, mentioned in dispatches. Sukhoi is flown by Group Captain Dhruv Kumar, Vayu Sena Medal, and Wing Commander Sudeep P.
निगाहें आसमान में इन वायु गर्जन करने वाले विमानों को ढूंढ रही हैं और एक के बाद एक हैरत अंगेज कारनामे करते हुए फॉर्मेशन आगे बढ़ते हुए।
And now time for faster moves with pure fighter formations. In the lead, Jaguars. Jaguar, a versatile twin-engine strike aircraft known for its robust design. Near Bikaner and flying at a speed of 750 kilometers per hour. Today led by Group Captain Akash Chechi. Marvel the choreography of power and precision, each jet being a symbol of the guardianship that keeps our sky sovereign and safeguard.
उपस्थित जनसमूह विस्मित है, आह्लादित है, रोमांचित है, प्रसन्न है भारत की इस वायु शक्ति का अवलोकन करके। अमृत फॉर्मेशन के बाद अब बारी होगी वज्रांग फॉर्मेशन की।
6 Rafale, omnipotent fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Undoubtedly, one could say that even the winds along the Kartavya Path have stopped to stare at these Rafales. 6 Rafale fighter aircraft flying majestically up in the air. Formation led by Squadron Leader Amol Garg, Squadron Leader Mihir Vivek Chaudhary, Squadron Leader Sarthak Kumar, Squadron Leader Mohit Tyagi, Squadron Leader Arun Atre, and Squadron Leader Sivangi Singh, all from 17 Squadron.
17 स्क्वाड्रन जिसका आदर्श वाक्य उदयम अस्त्रम, 6 राफेल विमान हवा में विलीन होते हुए दुश्मन के संहार का परिचायक।
Formation led today by Group Captain Manish Arora, Shaurya Chakra. Other members in the formation are Wing Commander Kunal Kalra and Wing Commander Abhimanyu Singh, all from 15 Squadron, all from Lancers. And there you can see the Trishul formation comprising 3 Sukhoi 30 MKI air dominance fighter aircraft flying at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour.
3 Su-30 विमान जिनका विजय नाद सुनकर रोमांच महसूस किया जा सकता है, हवा में विलीन होते हुए त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन बनाते हुए।
Having pulled up, watch the leader going further up and the wingmen splitting to cast a trishul or a trident up in the air. Formation led by Group Captain Manish Arora.
और अब रोमांच की पराकाष्ठा, विजय फॉर्मेशन। एक रफेल 900 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से उड़ान भरते हुए 300 मीटर की ऊंचाई पर
Single Rafale flying at 900 kilometers per hour. All set to touch the sky with glory as he will execute the victory roll over Kartavya Path today. Known as the Falcons of Champ and Aknoor, flying with their motto, Anbhishya Bhedi or Seek to Destroy. That's Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi. Climbing up, carrying out the victory roll, and finally will disappear into the blue yonder, signifying the motto of the Indian Air Force, Nabha Sprisham Deeptam.
Absolutely. Glory in the sky, touching the sky with glory. Historically, we know fly past have a special affinity with parades and form their aerial component. And today, here, the absolute